Imagine having your car lift off the ground and fly above bumper-to-bumper traffic at the touch of a button. That sounded like something from a science fiction film for decades, but that is no longer the case. With amazing flying vehicles and eVTOL aircraft that are already being tested, certified, and even ready for commercial launch, engineers and automakers worldwide are making this fantasy a reality. The future is coming sooner than most people anticipated, from next-generation air taxis to futuristic personal automobiles. We're counting down the 10 flying automobiles that are eventually coming to pass in today's video. Some of these incredible devices are capable of operating on public highways. Others are designed to permanently change urban transportation, and each and every one will astound you. So grab a seat, click like, subscribe to the channel, and let's head into the future. The Jetson 1 is a groundbreaking personal electric aircraft that signals the arrival of the future of personal aviation, mirroring the design of a racing drone you can actually pilot. Propelled by 8 high-performance electric motors, this futuristic vehicle achieves a top speed of 63 miles per hour, or 102 kilometers per hour, and provides a flight time of approximately 20 minutes on a single charge. Security is heavily prioritized in its engineering, featuring critical redundancies such as automated landing assistance, a ballistic parachute system, and a redundant propulsion layout. Driven by high demand that has filled up immediate production slots, it stands as an elite option that brings the dream of personal, daily flight closer to reality. The Volocopter Volo Connect demonstrates that personal electric aviation is shifting from a futuristic concept into a practical reality for flight schools, sightseeing, and urban air taxi services. Engineered as a fully electric 2-seat multicopter, it utilizes an 18-rotor configuration to achieve a steady cruising speed of 70 kilometers per hour and a maximum flight range of 25 miles, 40 kilometers. The aircraft prioritizes safe, incredibly quiet, and entirely emission-free travel, while ensuring user-friendly operation through sophisticated fly-by-wire controls and a highly modular layout. Positioned to debut as a major milestone in urban air mobility, this innovative vehicle offers an accessible, quiet, and eco-friendly platform designed to transform short-distance regional flights. The Jack Gov AirCab is a highly advanced flying vehicle designed to make urban air travel as seamless and accessible as hailing a standard rideshare. Constructed with an ultra-lightweight carbon fiber body that significantly cuts weight, this 2-seat all-electric eVTOL aircraft integrates sophisticated autonomous flight technology and multiple redundant safety systems to guarantee ultimate security in the skies. It is capable of achieving steady cruising speeds of up to 75 miles per hour, or 120 kilometers per hour, and offers a practical operational range of 20 to 30 kilometers. Additionally, the vehicle features rapid fast charging capabilities that fully replenish the battery system in just 25 minutes, providing a highly efficient, time-saving solution built to bypass dense city traffic effortlessly. The Velociter X1 is a striking personal eVTOL aircraft that delivers a sci-fi-inspired aesthetic alongside genuine solo flight capabilities. Built for single-pilot operations, this electric aircraft utilizes 8 independent electric motors to execute vertical takeoffs and landings, completely eliminating the need for a traditional runway. It achieves a steady cruising speed of 70 miles per hour, or 113 kilometers per hour, and provides up to 45 minutes of continuous flight time, complemented by an integrated 15-minute emergency safety reserve. To ensure ultimate pilot confidence, the vehicle incorporates heavy security measures, including a built-in ballistic parachute, active LiDAR obstacle detection, and completely redundant propulsion systems, making it a highly advanced and secure platform for personal aviation. The Xpeng land aircraft carrier stands as one of the most revolutionary transport concepts in modern aviation, consisting of a massive 6x6 electric ground vehicle that houses and transports a fully detachable 2-seat eVTOL aircraft. The aerial component utilizes 6 high-powered rotors equipped with folding arms to execute seamless vertical takeoffs and landings without requiring a runway. When docked, the multi-axle ground truck serves as both a secure hangar and a mobile charging station, preparing the flight module for its next journey. This modular architecture provides a highly practical approach to personal flight, shifting low-altitude travel into an accessible reality.
The Ascendance ATEA is a highly practical aircraft engineered for real-world regional air mobility rather than just exhibition flights. Breaking away from purely battery-dependent designs, it utilizes a sophisticated hybrid electric propulsion layout to achieve a substantial operational range of up to 250 miles, 400 kilometers, while accommodating 4 passengers and a pilot. This configuration combines space-saving vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities with high-efficiency winged flight for longer distances. Cruising steadily at 124 miles per hour, 200 kilometers per hour, the aircraft presents a smart, eco-conscious vision designed to make regional travel significantly quieter, cleaner, and more accessible.